Hello, beauties, and welcome to Truly Tara. Here we do reviews and unboxings, and I am super happy because we finally hit 35 subscribers. And I said whenever I hit 35 that I would do a giveaway, and we are definitely going to do that. So, to be a part of the giveaway, I need for you guys, because I have to know, do you want to be a part of the giveaway? So the only way that I could think to do it was you guys have to comment that yes, you want to be a part of the giveaway, and what is your favorite, skincare or makeup or both? Because I love both. So, but to know what you want, I need to know what I should give away. So, today we have Ipsy. Finally, well, it's boxycharm by Ipsy. I finally got it. It feels like it's very, very, very late to be getting it. So let's unbox this. All right. So I was trying to get my laptop up so I could get all the information that I needed. Of course, it is dead, and I didn't want to wait any longer. So, but they actually did send a big thing, and I'm pretty sure that it has all of the, well, no, actually it's just basically a calendar of all the dates. Like April 10th is Mega Drop Shop opens, April 17th Mother's Day sale, April 24th flash sale, May 1st, May theme reveal, and May 2nd through 3rd, build your May box. Okay. So, not much else. Okay, yeah. So, we do know that Anastasia Beverly Hills. I couldn't think of it last time that I did Ipsy. I think I called it maybe Laura Mercier. I don't know. I can't remember. I said somebody totally opposite of who the icon was going to be. But okay, so let's get into this box. All right, so I'm going to start with Truly. Imagine that. So I got, this was one of my picks, and it is the Unicorn Body Butter. So let's look how beautiful that is. And gosh, it just smells so good. It smells so good. It makes your skin look so good. I love. Okay, so next we have JLo. And this is the eye cream. And it's called That Fresh Take Eye Cream. I'm happy to get this because I got the JLo stuff, but the eye cream was not a part of it. So I'm just going to get it off of there. I don't know how, I mean, it's an eye cream. It's going to take time to, I know I use the JLo face wash, the face cream, and what, I mean, there was a few things that I got, and I mean, it was good stuff. But I have so many things. Oh, I think there was a serum, and the serum was great. And I'm all about a serum. So for me to say that it was great, that says something. Okay. Next, we have Fenty Heat. And it is a gloss bomb. Interesting color. That reminds me of pineapple. Wow. Gosh, let this be a lip balm and not an eye. So that's pretty. And I don't know if I just got pineapple in my brain and that's what I smell and taste. It doesn't say though. Okay. For the full effect, plumper looking lips, irresistible shine. And that's it. So it's a lip plumper. I don't see where there's, oh, okay. Lemon. but it's good. So I'm not big on lemon. I got pineapple in my brain. Sorry. I mean, for it to be lemon, it's actually nice. Okay. Next we have Dr. Brandt. I know this was another one of my picks. Mineral Mask. Helps pores. Oh, it's sealed. I really hate to break the seals because, you know, I have so many masks. I would rather keep it and either give it away or give it away. Okay, getting kind of tired of seeing this in my boxes, just like that Cella, which this actually looks, oh, okay, it's a bronzer, and I'm pretty sure that I picked this, but it was because there was nothing else to pick from. There was nothing else to choose from. So, I mean, that looks pretty great. I mean, that looks pretty dark, but, you know, they're supposed to be darks. I don't know. I get scared off. I don't know. That looks pretty good. I'm not going to try to put that on. Right. Why not? I mean, let's just go ahead and... I mean, this is definitely not how I put on my bronzer, but... that's not bad. And I mean, that looks scary, but, you know, actually, it looks like it might be wonderful. So, I am tired of seeing the LYS in boxes, lists, whatever it is, but I'm not going to hate on that. Like, that actually was pretty good. Okay, so now I got a brush, and I'm all about brushes. I use them all day, every day, so, but it doesn't say what kind of brush. I mean, there's no writing or anything on it, so that's kind of a letdown. All right, now last but not least, the Biro. This is a pear serum. So we got lemon and pear, and I don't know if the Dr. Brandt is any kind of... okay. So, I know this was another one of my picks. And me. Okay. So, does it... not really getting much of a smell. I don't know. Okay, so... the Biro stuff that I've tried so far has been... good. It seems like it's really overpriced. I know I got a truffle eye cream, and it was really nice. So, all right, so that is it for the Ipsy box. Next month will be Icon, and that's always with Ipsy. My favorite was whenever it was the, you know, the every 3-month box. So I'm excited about it. I always, you know, so far, all of those boxes is what has kept me going with Ipsy. It just seems like I would get, you know, a couple months would go by and I'd start getting... I'm getting tired of getting the same old stuff. And then they would throw out, you know, which it wasn't the Icon box. It was whatever it was. I can't think of it. So that always kept me hooked. And it's going to do the same. Which, again, I'm so glad that I'm, you know, not getting Ipsy Glam Bag, the mid box, and then with boxycharm, you know, the little box and then the medium box. Like it was, and getting the same stuff. So, you know, so far so good. I feel like I've got other boxes coming in that right now are just kind of better. And I don't know if it's because it's new. I don't know. It just seems like I don't know. If I was newer to Ipsy, would I feel differently? I don't know. All right. Well, I'm going to wrap it up. So, yay 35. Like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you let me know. And I'm not going to, like, I was trying to figure out how, to do this. I've got to give you a little bit of time. So that way, in case somebody misses the video, I want to give everybody that has subscribed a little bit of a chance. So, going to put this video out. I have another couple things that I can do, and you guys just let me know. Skincare, makeup, do you want to be a part of the giveaway? That whole thing. So, that'll be it for this one. And yay, 35. That's awesome. My little tiny channel is growing. So I love it. And I love you guys. And I will see you in the next. Bye.